We're the nickel-sized hell and the damaging winds. We rolled over New York, they ain't ever gonna let us back in. Well, we blew out the lights, we kicked the windows in, and when the law showed up, said they're gonna have to take us in. They're all scared of my music, they're terrified of my friends. They all run and take cover like a big storm's coming in. Better lock up your liquor and keep your women mean. Better find you a basement, it's the worst storm you ever seen. We're the nickel-sized hell and the damaging winds. We rolled over Hollywood, they ain't ever gonna let us back in. Well, we blew out the lights, we kicked the windows in, and when the law showed up, they said, who's gonna pay for this?
Yeah, it's my speed right here. I got something to say. Hey sonny, pass me that bottle of Jack, and if we kicked out the front, we're coming in the back. To hell with all these outlaw wannabes and $1,000 boots and pretty boy jeans. If you ain't lived it, then don't you sing it. If you want trouble, then by God bring it. Cause me and old Sonny ain't scared, you see. We can fight, fuck, or foot race and win all three.
We're the nickel-sized hell and the damaging winds. We rolled over Austin, they ain't ever gonna let us back in. Well, we blew out the lights, we kicked the windows in, and when the law showed up, said they're gonna have to take us in. Coming in, you might have you a snowstorm, or the tides come rising in. But you better be careful when the weatherman says, watch out for nickel-sized hell and the damaging wind.
Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening. People writing songs that voices never share, and no one dare disturb the sound of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made. And the sign flashed its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls.